In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh MotiveWave. Now I'm going to show you a few steps you can take to actually refresh everything. So the first thing you can do is on a chart, you want to right click and then click on Reset Chart Scale. And then you can right click again and click on Clear Local Data. When you do this, click on Yes over here. That's going to reset. And then what you can do is just click down here at the bottom where you can see the time. And then you want to click and then drag to the left and to the right. And this will kind of refresh everything, okay? And load in more data if it's not loading in correctly. You could also go and change different, of course, time periods over here. So we're going to go and select, for example, let's do 45 minutes, and then you can go back to 15 minutes, and that's going to kind of refresh everything. And that's kind of the basics you can do. But then what you can also do is simply right click, and then from here, you want to go to chart settings. You want to change your location to something else. So if I go to CST, for example, apply and OK, and you can then go back in here and then do the same thing, but now use default and click apply and OK again. Then you can go to file, top left, and then from here you can click on disconnect. And when you disconnect, you want to go to file and connect again. And then the last step you can take is to basically shut down and reopen MotiveWave. So go to the top left, file, shut down, and then you want to click on yes. Make sure to save any changes you made, and then go to the bottom here to the search box, look for MotiveWave and open it. Now when you do this, it's going to open up your MotiveWave again, and you want to just continue onto your workspace, and that's going to kind of refresh and reload everything as well for you, okay? So those are all the ways to refresh. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.